When we take a photograph of an apple, the camera records the light that bounced off the apple and went to the camera's lens. But this only records a single perspective of the apple. That's why photographs look flat. If we want to do a little bit better, we could take two photographs next to each other and then send one of those images to one of your eyes and the other image to the other eye. This is how 3D movies work, and it gives them depth. But it still has a problem. You can't turn your head and get more perspectives on the apple. We can do better than this. Light is a wave. It's like a water wave, only water waves are made of water, and light waves are made of electric and magnetic fields. We can deflect a light wave by passing it through a diffraction grating. The finer the grating, the more the light wave is deflected. And we can combine a bunch of these diffraction gratings in order to shape a light wave however we want it to be shaped. That's exactly what a hologram is. It's a combination, a superposition of diffraction gratings that are designed to reconstruct the original light wave that bounced off of the apple. But how do we make this hologram? Well, the way to make the hologram is to take the light that's bouncing off the apple and mix it with a laser beam. Then they'll form an interference pattern, similar to when you drop two pebbles into a pond. The waves spread out, and when they meet each other, they form sort of a crosshatch pattern. We're going to take this crosshatch pattern, this light interference pattern, and we're going to put it in some photographic chemicals that will record it. That's how we make the hologram. Common examples of holograms include credit card security images and novelty items, but the word hologram is commonly misused to describe other things, such as lenticular images and Pepper's Ghost. There's a lot of exciting research done on holograms. A really tricky but cool problem is to make a moving hologram that would be useful for displays like TVs and computer displays. Could also be useful for medicine if, for example, the doctor would be able to see a moving 3D image of your heart. It would help him or her diagnose you. Someday, we may even be able to tell Obi-Wan Kenobi that he's our only hope.
Exciting place for science enthusiasts.
So today, we are counting down the top 10 holographic technologies that are incredibly amazing and real. So sit back, relax, and enjoy, my friends.
Number 10.
Laser plasma holograph.
A company, Burton, developed this laser plasma holographic device. A true 3D display, which can produce bright dots in the air, so the audience can see 3D images in real 3D space. It uses the plasma emission phenomenon near the focal point of the focused laser light by controlling X, Y, and Z axes. It looks science fictional and fascinating. This holographic technology will be used for advertisements, the entertainment industry, emergency, and rescue signals during disasters.
Number 9.
Fan-type holograph.
Fan-type holographic devices are those devices that spin similar to roof fans, but in a horizontal manner. The fan's propellers are merged with sophisticated RGB lights. On spinning, it produces the holographic illusions. Surprisingly, it provides almost HD quality of holographic illusions in a power-efficient way just by utilizing only 10 watts of energy. This made-in-China device may cost between a few $100s to a few $1,000, and it is a great way for affordable retail advertisement.
Number 8.
Portable holographic device. Portable holographic devices are the most compact designs and easy to carry. Scientists from RMIT University and Beijing Institute of Technology have invented a portable holographic device known as HoloVect. Surprisingly, it's the world's thinnest hologram, or simply put, it is 1,000 times thinner than human hair. This mid-air hologram is visible without wearing any special glasses. That's so cool! Another fantastic portable holograph is Fairy Light. That is an interactive light. Not only can you touch it, but you can also feel it. 4 Japanese universities collaboratively developed this tangible, aerial, volumetric graphics. And this technology uses femtosecond lasers that are capable of ionizing air molecules, and thus create crackling, photon-emitting pockets of plasma. These lights, or voxels, can be arranged in mid-air to create moving, floating, interactive images. Another portable holographic device is Digital Holographic Tabletop, that is developed by a company, Giga Korea, in collaboration with other businesses and investors. Fortunately, it can produce the world's first 360-degree hologram, and it can be viewed from any angle. Thanks to a series of high-powered multicolor lasers, this complex Rubik's Cube projection in mid-air is possible.
Number 7.
Physical hologram. Physical holograms are more sophisticated and way more interactive. Two MIT students, Daniel Leithinger and Sean Falmer, invented this complicated and tangible in-form dynamic shape display. It is more advanced than a hologram because it expresses 3D physical telepresence due to the ability to render the shapes of people and objects. So you're wondering how it works? In simple words, this table was built with motors, linkages, and pins that can render a person physically in real time via a digital source. It is almost science fiction type quality. That's 900 pins, each a ½ inch wide, with 900 separate motors. Getting 900 motors in such a dense area was a real challenge. Crazy Flies 2.0 is another physical hologram, which uses hundreds of autonomous drones with LED lights. These drones fly in a coordinated manner and are able to express 3D glowing holographic structures in the air. These are alternatives to the fireworks, and the best way to combat air pollution. Designed by Raffaello D'Andrea.
Number 6.
Material-fused holograms. Material-fused holograms are those holograms that require a media for its projections. The first example of material-fused holograms is the smoke projector. Smoke projection is an excellent projector technique for holographic effects in low budgets. You just need a cool projector and a smoke tube that exhales a continuous vertical smoke film. It is a really cool and affordable idea to attract customers with this high-tech advertisement. Another example of material-fused hologram is Underwater Hologram, developed by company Burton Inc. But you are wondering how it works? These laser lights produce molecular excitation in water to show green holographic patterns. Surprisingly, this system produces 50,000 dots per second at 30 frames per second, which is incredible. Gatorade Water Holograph is an incredibly creative technique used by an advertisement company, Gatorade. Interestingly, this holographic technology comprises of over 20,000 parts and took 5,000 hours to construct. There are 208 individual nozzles, which turned on and off within 2 milliseconds. The figure jogs over to a box and starts doing box jumps, with water splashing as its feet hit the box, which is a challenging job to accomplish.
Number 5.
Holograms for shopping malls. It is a 7D holographic technology. That means it is high-quality holographic captured from 7 dimensions with extremely visual effects. As you can see, a virtual whale splashing through a school gym floor that seems to be real. But this technology is still under development. In this concept video released by Magic Leap to show capabilities of 7D technology. Some videos about 7D technology on YouTube became very viral, like 7D holographic show at Dubai and 7D holographic zoo at Japanese mall, where holographic animals like giraffes, monkeys, and pandas seem to interact with visitors at Japanese malls. But, unfortunately, these videos are apparently a hoax. This video was part of an advertising campaign for National Geographic that became freaking viral. And it was created by using Maya, an animation software. By the way, it is clear that the internet is full of hoax videos, but we can't deny the existence of holographic technology. Another holographic technology is a form of Chinese company Kinomo. They introduced Hypervision Wall that is capable of producing holographic illusions near to HD resolution. This unique wall consists of so many spinning fans. The sophisticated LED propeller produces holograms based on advanced software algorithms. This wall is 3 meters in size and power efficient because it consumes just 65 watts of energy. It costs $3,200, so it's definitely designed for retail, sports venues, and commercial displays. Hologram is a glasses-free and most realistic holograph. And this new technique, developed by a French artist named Johnny Lemessier, uses two-dimensional projections paired with the motion sensor to make the image appear to be fully 3D.
Number 4.
Table holograms. Table holograms are those holograms that require a table. The first example of table holograms is Euclidean hologram table, the world's first multi-user hologram table. Up to 4 people can walk around a holographic image and interact with it. Euclidean hologram has the great processor and powerful GPU that makes the 3D objects out of light, and it can artistically project them. The computer makes these by coordinating little theoretical atoms of light. It can be used to sell real estate off the plan, like used to be done with the world's smallest building models. Or it can be used to view the entire city, or even the whole country. It has the world's most powerful 3D graphics and the most powerful algorithm. This incredible combination helps the table to process 64 atoms per cubic millimeter of data. That is equal to 1 million atoms per cubic inch, to put it simply. It means that it can handle 1,000 gigabytes of graphical data. Another example of table hologram is HoloLamp, the world's first glasses-free portable holographic device that creates optical 3D illusions directly on your table. HoloLamp applications are made with Unity, which is a leading global game industry software. Based on a touch detection technology, HoloLamp allows you to control the virtual 3D objects using your hands. Another table holographic device is 3D volumetric technology, which brings digital content to life and helps to empower people to visualize, communicate, learn, and collaboratively have fun with no barrier to the 3D experience. No special glasses are required. It is a way more interactive with 3D awesomeness, allowing for multi-user and real-time interactivity. A socially engaging way to use technology for entertainment.
Number 3.
Event holograms. Event holograms are holographic projection technologies that is best used for Christmas celebrations. Or it may be used in Halloween to have some fun. Developed by company Atmos FX.
Number 2.
Stage performance holograms. MDH Hologram is pioneering in the holographic technology industry and is the world's leader in holographic technology. MDH Hologram is the most advanced holographic technology that are mostly used for stage performances and best preferred by singers, actors, magicians, politicians, and corporations. The best example of using this technology is the recent victory of Indian Prime Minister, Narendra Modi. He used this MDH holographic technology to simultaneously broadcast himself in various states of India. But this technology is not cheap. It's pretty expensive.
Number 1.
Conspiracy hologram. The best example of conspiracy hologram is the Project Blue Beam. This conspiracy theory was first proposed by 2 Canadian journalists, Cuba Soy and Serge Monast, in 1994. After 2 years, mysteriously both died due to heart attack. If you remember the event where the dark floating skyscrapers appeared within clouds above China, then you are all well aware of this conspiracy theory. NASA launched 4 holographic satellites. Those satellites can produce holographic images by simultaneously focusing on a single region of the Earth. How will it work? The answer is that the holographic laser beam can ionize air molecules of a particular region, so that local people will be able to see the hologram. This conspiracy claims that NASA is attempting to implement a new age religion with the Antichrist as its head and start a new world order via a technologically simulated second coming. This secret mission wants to control the entire population with fears of alien attacks by misusing religious prophetics and archaeological knowledge of all dominant faith. If this technology is real, then it should be number 1 on our countdown list.